Well, hey there. Hey guys, my Call of Duty here. Are you wanting to know how the last 2 weeks I've been sleeping? Stay tuned. Hey guys, my Call of Duty here. So I've had this thing for 2 weeks. I've been sleeping really good at night. There's been a couple of things that are good and a couple of things that are bad, but very small on the bad. This thing is awesome. Very comfortable on the face, like I've said in past videos. Um, when you put it on, if you start to see like light, you just kind of adjust it to where your face and your eyes will you won't see any light. It gets pretty dark and it's kind of weird because when you wake up in the middle of the night, my place is already kind of dark, and you go to use the bathroom, I feel it's kind of fuzzy, like you can't really see because it's pitch dark. You're like in a real deep sleep. That's the only downfall I see about that. But for the most part, man, I've been getting really good night's sleep. Um, Very comfortable. You can adjust it anyway. They also have a new mask, which is a little bit bigger and more filled to it, like more comfortable. It's a bigger eye socket. I'm thinking about trying that out. I'll do a video on it. But yeah, for the most part, this has been a real lifesaver. Waking up in the middle of the night 3 or 4 times, tossing and turning, it takes up much on your body, especially when you're working the next day and you don't feel that good deep sleep or that good sleep that you had when you need to go to a job. That you don't feel that good sleep and you just feel not rested by the end of the day. But yeah, I mean, I definitely recommend this, man. It is definitely one of the best things. Once again, I'll link the product down below. If you guys have any questions, put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you on it. If you like the sleep mask and you already have it, leave a comment down below also. Get your guys' feedback, help other people out. But once again, I thank you for watching, and make sure you subscribe and smash that like button. Catch you in the next video.